Hello everyone, we are Team 7 and we are here to present you guys our DIY project. Our team members include Ronak, Keshav, me, Trayam, Arjit and Aman. And we have worked on hand gesture controlled appliances. So what does it mean? Let me explain it very briefly. As each passing year, science is making our life easier and easier. Home automation is one such domain. In the coming years, you don't have to walk each time to the switchboard to turn on or off your appliances. It can be done from the comfort of your sofa. But as of now, home automation is somewhat linked with voice controlation, say Alexa and Siri. But such products do not work efficiently in noisy environment, say factories or parties. Hence, we have come up with an idea via this project to solve this problem using hand gestures, a prototype to control home appliances using hand gestures.
So first of all, we need to set up a wireless connection between our NodeMCU server and the client. For setting up the server, we need to include two special libraries, the ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h and the Wi-Fi UDP.h. Now UDP, that is User Datagram Protocol, is an alternative to the standard TCP protocol. However, we will be using the former as our connection can tolerate losses but must have low latency. Therefore, inside the void setup, we have initialized the Wi-Fi server. Once the connection is established, the server listens to the data packets sent by the client. Now, since the ESP module differs slightly from the Arduino Uno board, I will have to make a certain changes. I changed the CPU frequency to 160 MHz and the crystal frequency to 40 MHz. As well as the IP variant must be selected to the V2 higher bandwidth. So V2 higher bandwidth. Now we'll be compiling our sketch. In the loop, the packets are first parsed and then converted from ASCII to integer. Now if the PWM value received from the client is between 60 and -60, we can turn off the light. Otherwise, the PWM value is directly given to the respective LED color. And as you can see right now, the client is sending the green color data packet. And now we will turn it off. Yeah. So this is the demonstration of the code.
So by rotating our palm, we can change the intensity of the light. As the angle made between the wrist and the tip of the middle finger with respect to the horizontal changes, the intensity also changes. Here you can see the intensity is maximum as it is 90 degree with respect to horizontal. Now it becomes 0 as angle is 0 degree. Now it again becomes maximum intensity. Now it becomes 0 again. So this is how the intensity of the light changes by rotating our arm.
Hello everyone, welcome to the live demonstration of our project. So here, as you can see, I'm using an LED. This LED is a specific kind of LED known as RGB LEDs, where I can control the individual intensity of the red, green and the blue color. So using my PC, I'll control this LED using an ESP8266 via Wi-Fi. So let me just start the program. So as you can see, it is detecting my face and it is also detecting my facial features such as my eyes, my nose and my mouth. And this facial recognition is a protective mechanism in order to prevent other unauthorized person to control this LED. So only a specific person can control this LED, and that is the owner. So initially here we have a switched off LED, and now we'll go into the edit mode, which is like 5 fingers. So I'll show my 5 fingers, which is basically my palm, and here I'm in edit mode. So now as you can see, the red color is enabled as well, and in order to change the intensity of red color, I just have to rotate my hand. So as you can see, it is now switched off. I can slightly rotate my hand, and as you can see, it is showing a little bit of red color. I can also increase the intensity. So slowly if I rotate my hand, the intensity of red light will increase. And now what I'll do, I'll go into the green color mode, which is like 3 fingers. So I'll show 3 fingers. So now I'm in green color mode, and if I show my 4 fingers, then I'll be in blue color mode. I can individually set the color intensity of these colors. So basically, if I'd like to change the intensity, if I'd like to change the intensity of blue color, then I just have to go into the edit mode, which is 5 fingers, and then I can rotate my fingers in order to change the intensity of blue color. So as you can see, it is becoming a little bit yellowish in color, and if I rotate it further, then you can see it has become yellow. Yellow is basically the combination of green and red color, so that is why it is showing yellow color. And now I can again increase it, and if I'd like to change the red color, then I have to go into the red mode, and then I can again decrease the intensity of the red color. So as you can see, it is becoming more like greenish blue, which is like cyan color, and now I'm again increasing it. So if I want to switch off this LED, I just have to show my palm, and then I just have to rotate it a little bit, and then I have to show 1, 2, 3, and then over. Thank you.
So now let us see how this project can be used in our daily lives. We have already seen before that our prototype recognizes the face of a person, so this could be used in our homes where only family members will be able to control the appliances. And for industrial application, we can extend this prototype to control a robotic arm using hand gestures, which can be used at sites where human hands can't be used, like mining sites. Instead of using our laptop camera, what we can do, we can use infrared cameras, which will reduce the time taken for detection, and also now we will be able to detect gestures in dark. So this was our project. Thank you everyone for watching.